Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on or how to enable the camera shutter sound on the M4 iPad. And so you'll notice that when you go to take photos, you can't hear that specific clicking sound that you associate with pressing on the shutter button. So if you wanted to return that sound back, then you have a couple things you can try. The first is by making sure your iPad is no longer in silent mode. And then when you go to take photos, you should hear the sound. If the sound is still not being produced, then ensure that the system sound of your iPad is working, so it's at 100. Then you should try taking the photos. If again this hasn't worked, then ensure that live photos has been disabled. So tap on this live photo icon here to turn it off. Then once you've done all of those steps, whenever you take photos, you should be able to hear a sound like that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.